नमस्कार, न्यूज 18 इंडिया देख रहे हैं आप और मैं हूं आपके साथ शिवानी पांडे। समाजवादी पार्टी के अध्यक्ष और उत्तर प्रदेश के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री अखिलेश यादव जोर शोर से चुनावी मैदान में उतर चुके हैं। वो लगातार राज्य में रथ यात्रा के जरिए लोगों से जुड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और इस दौरान न्यूज 18 की टीम ने उनसे बातचीत की, जिसमें उन्होंने कई मुद्दों पर अपनी बात रखी।
A lot of lal topis we are seeing here, and Prime Minister has said, UP should be wary of lal topis, and it stands for lawlessness and mercy to terrorists. How do you react to this statement?
मुझे नहीं पता कि बीजेपी लाल रंग को समझती है। वो खुद स्वीकार कर रहे हैं कि इससे सावधान रहना है। लाल रंग इमोशन का है, लाल रंग क्रांति का है, और लाल रंग जो टोपी का है वो परिवर्तन का है। और जिसके जीवन में लाल रंग नहीं है वो लाल रंग के इमोशन को नहीं समझेगा। ये आज जरूरी है एक बार फिर जो लोग संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ाना चाहते हैं उनसे बचाने के लिए ये लाल रंग, लाल टोपी, और केवल लाल रंग नहीं, यहाँ पीला रंग हमारे साथ, आपका रंग साथ, नीला और सफेद रंग साथ, ये सब रंग जब मिल जाएंगे तो एक रंगी लोगों को उत्तर प्रदेश से हटा देंगे।
उत्तर प्रदेश SIT, they have told court that it was a Lakhimpur Khedi was a premeditated event, and Ajay Mishra Teni should resign now.
कम से कम ये जांच अब बाहर है और लोग जान गए हैं कि दोषी जो लोग हैं वो साजिश कर रहे थे। पहले दिन जिन पर सवाल खड़े हुए थे वो आज भी सरकार में हैं, तो बिना इस्तीफा दिए उनको हटाए क्या उम्मीद कर सकते हो कि किसी को न्याय मिलेगा?
We have heard your response about Kashi event. You said that one should spend last days in Kashi. Do you mean PM should spend last days in Kashi?
देखिए, सवाल ये नहीं है कि किसके लिए क्या कहा गया है। बीजेपी के पास सुविधा है किसी के भी स्टेटमेंट को ट्विस्ट करने के लिए। आज सवाल बेरोजगारी का है। सवाल ये नहीं कि काशी में आखिरी दिन कौन गुजारेगा, सवाल ये है कि सरकार के आखिरी दिन बचे हुए हैं।
Sir, also CM Yogi has said that you are polarizing the election that you mentioned, Jinnah.
समाजवादी पार्टी किसान, नौजवान, व्यापारी, महंगाई और उत्तर प्रदेश की जिस तरह तबाही है उन सवालों को लेकर के आगे बढ़ रही है।
क्यों ऐसा बोला कि CM ने नहीं डिक्लेयर?
देखिए, जो जानकारी मिली और जो तस्वीरें मैंने देखी कि माँ गंगा पे स्नान मुख्यमंत्री जी ने नहीं लिया, और शायद मुख्यमंत्री जी ने इसलिए स्नान नहीं लिया क्योंकि वो जानते हैं हिंडन नदी जो उत्तर प्रदेश में बहती है उसकी पूरी गंदगी गंगा में जा रही है। ये मुख्यमंत्री जी तो जानते थे कि उत्तर प्रदेश में नदियों का सफाई का काम नहीं हुआ, इसलिए उन्होंने डिप नहीं ली। एक काम बताएं।
यही अनुराग ठाकुर कह रहे हैं।
Fortunate that both Meta and us, we believe that small businesses are really the bedrock of our country's economic backbone. And, the pandemic really brought home the truth that small merchant shops, retailers, and small businesses urgently needed to convert their physical brick and mortar stores to digital storefronts. And for us, it really meant an acceleration of delivering our responsibility to enable them digitally. We're glad that through the power of our partnership, we could decide to quickly leverage the strength of the WhatsApp platform that provides access to over 400 million people. With an equal number of Jio subscribers, it seemed like a natural progression for us to be able to support these businesses, not only through a digital connection with our customers online, but also to quickly develop and build very specific digital commerce solutions for them.
Yeah, and just to put some numbers into it, Mani, we currently have over 500,000 retailers and is growing every day. We were very clear that the JioMart's unmatched network, both in online and offline retail, should be leveraged optimally. Given the size of the opportunity, we continue to be so excited with our partnership with Meta, and in collaboration with the WhatsApp team, we intend to build out native features that will help the entire value chain of users, shoppers who could seamlessly shop. Retailers increase their stock assortments, improve their margins, and get them closer to perhaps a larger customer base that they've never touched before. They will be able to get new orders in addition to keeping the existing relationships within the regular base intact.
Yep, and Marnie, as you know, for Akash and I personally, this is of great personal significance because it means that we're moving closer to my father's vision of enabling millions of small retailers to become digital first via Jio and JioMart, which for us is a really, really big motivating factor.
Well, I love that. I love that so much. It's such an inspiring vision, and I think it's truly a valuable partnership. GeoMart is not only adding value to businesses, but also having material socioeconomic impact. And small merchants, or kiranas, have been the backbone of India's economy for ages. So I love the vision. I love how big and bold it is, and I love the value that it provides to so many. And as more and more of the kiranas and small businesses join the world of digital commerce, how has this transformed the shopping experience for consumers?
The GeoMart experience through WhatsApp is actually very simply put conversational in nature, which all WhatsApp users are used to. WhatsApp is an extremely simple and easy to use. So there's absolutely no customer inhibition when ordering for supplies. It's extremely intuitive. So there are no barriers to technology. And digital shopping is now just an extension of messaging via WhatsApp to GeoMart. It's all taken care of in a couple of steps effortlessly. Really, it's a revolution in customer ease.
Yeah, all a customer really needs to do is just order away on GeoMart. Butter, bread, vegetables, beverages, anything that you would need in your household that day or week. Look up a product, set up a subscription for a regular buy if that's what you want, and get personalized recommendations based on your past purchase history. It's all there. And maybe what might be most useful to do at this point is just show you how easy and stress-free this really is for our consumers.
मैं ना सब कुछ ही व्हाट्सएप पे कर लेती हूँ, जैसे किसी को वीडियो कॉल करना हो या फिर बर्थडे विशेस भेजनी हो। अच्छा, केक काटेगी तो मुझे वीडियो कॉल करना फिर से। और जब से जियोमार्ट आया है ना व्हाट्सएप पे, मैं घर का सारा सामान भी यहीं से मंगा लेती हूँ। बहुत यूजफुल है। जैसे कल शाम को कुछ दोस्त आए थे घर पे, तो उनके लिए चाय नाश्ते का सामान मैंने यहीं से मंगा लिया और तुरंत आ भी गया। अगर कुछ भूल भी जाओ तो आराम से सर्च कर सकते हो। बस जियोमार्ट को व्हाट्सएप पे हाई टाइप करो और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व।
Well, that's incredible. It really is incredible. It's so simple, it's easy, and it's convenient for consumers. But I know it takes a ton of hard work and deep collaboration to make that experience happen, and to do it at a time when nothing was normal. So let me just say thank you and congratulations to you, Isha, Akash, and to everyone at Geo for making GeoMart a reality and for trusting us in that partnership. We're so proud of this work, truly. I want to pivot slightly and talk about Geo's strong subscriber base. Geo Mobile has brought millions of people access to affordable data plans. As we've said, that access has been transformational. There's just no other way to say it. But a plan has to be more than just affordable for consumers to really rely on it. It has to also be convenient to use and easy to access. And this is another area where we've seen a lot of potential to partner together. A majority of mobile phone users in India are on prepaid recharge formats, which basically means that people pay for their phone usage rentals on the go. So I'd love to hear more about how Geo Mobile Recharge is operating through WhatsApp and how it's making that experience easier for people.
Mani, I'm so glad that you brought up this question. You know, as Geo and Meta teams have been working closely together, we are opening more and more avenues where we can partner. And one such avenue that we're going to roll out very, very soon is the Geo on WhatsApp prepaid recharge journey. This will bring consumers convenience like they've never had before. There's no better way to demonstrate what we're going to talk about rather than show the customers how this will transform their lives. Let us walk through a life of a Geo consumer on WhatsApp.
वैसे मेरी मेमोरी काफी शार्प है, लेकिन मोबाइल रिचार्ज करने के मामले में हमेशा स्नूज बटन दबा देता हूं। ओहो, रिचार्ज का लास्ट दिन है आज। अपने रिचार्ज के साथ लगे हाथ घर वालों का भी झट से रिचार्ज हो जाता है, वो भी सिर्फ एक व्हाट्सएप स्टिकर से। और ये सब इतना आसान और टेंशन फ्री है कि बस मिनटों में हो जाता है।
Convenience at the fingertips of millions. I love it. Related to this, payments through WhatsApp are now live on the UPI platform. And I feel like the Geo Mobile recharge process could become even simpler for people as a result. Is this your thinking as well?
Yeah, absolutely. I think it makes it very simple for anybody to adopt. For example, for older citizens who at times may find it difficult to step outside, this Geo Recharge feature through WhatsApp is so helpful. And payments on WhatsApp just adds to the ease of it all.
It's really exciting how the end-to-end experience of recharge through WhatsApp, along with the ability to make payments, can potentially make the lives of millions of Jio subscribers much more convenient.
I couldn't agree more. Akash and Isha, thank you. It's been so wonderful chatting with you. There's so much exciting transformation happening in India right now, and we're grateful to be partnering so closely with you and Jio. Like you, we believe we're at an inflection point in India's growth, and I can't help but be inspired about the potential that lies ahead to help more businesses grow and to create greater social and economic opportunity across the country. So thank you so much for joining us today. I wish you the very, very best. Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, Marnie. Thank you. It was our pleasure. Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much, Mani. It's our pleasure, and congratulations once again for your second milestone event of Fuel for India.
Thank you.
तो ईशा अंबानी और आकाश अंबानी को आप सुन रहे थे, क्योंकि फ्यूल फॉर इंडिया 2021 कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत हो चुकी है। 15 दिसंबर से इसकी शुरुआत हुई और आपको बता दें कि मेटा फेसबुक के साथ अब कोलैबोरेशन में होगा जियो मार्ट, यानी कि आप अगर व्हाट्सएप पर जियो मार्ट से कुछ सामान अगर मंगाना चाहते हैं तो आराम से आप एक हाई भेजकर अपने सामान की डिटेल्स उसमें लिखकर आप सीधे व्हाट्सएप के जरिए अपना सामान जियो मार्ट से मंगा सकते हैं। और उसी को लेकर जानकारी दे रहे थे आकाश अंबानी और ईशा अंबानी।